Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a donut pinata DIY using things you already have around your house and just a couple of things from the Dollar Tree. Now if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So for this project, I actually cut up 2 cereal boxes and I went ahead and pre-made this shape of a donut. And I went ahead and used some packing tape in order to seal this all together. But of course you're going to want to flap at the very bottom in order to put your candy in to let the candy fall out. And I also am using some of these streamers from Dollar Tree. Now, the streamers from Dollar Tree are absolutely perfect for any piñata. I just went ahead and cut a chunk off, and as you can see, I just cut some frayed edges on that. And we're going to be gluing these on. And now, along with that, I am actually going to be using some ribbon from Dollar Tree. Now, they have a ton of different types of ribbon. You can pick thick or thin. It is completely up to you, along with the colors and the style. Now, with the box, it is completely up to you if you want to keep it the shape of a cereal box, or with the cardboard, you can make your very own shape. Whatever you have in your imagination, you can completely come up with. And all we're gonna do to get started is actually use a little bit of hot glue, as you can see here, and I just went all the way around the sides and the front. And just be very, very careful because we are going to be hot gluing this on. This is definitely something for an adult, and you're just gonna go all the way around your donut, as you can see here. And when you're hot gluing these on, you want to make sure that all of the fringe is going in the same direction. And if you're worried about working with hot glue so much and, worried about burning your fingers, I always recommend using a popsicle stick in order to press down, just in case so you do not have any kind of burnt fingers, which, trust me, doing DIYs, I've lived and learned the hard way. So I highly recommend using a popsicle stick for something like this. So once I was finished, I actually took some scissors to the middle to cut the fray all the way around to make our nice donut circle in the middle. And you're also going to want to go ahead and add some fringe to the middle so you do not have any cardboard showing. And on the back, I went ahead and did it all the way across to show you the difference. I really recommend doing it in the circular motion. I think it has a better pattern to it compared to doing the one across. So to make this look like an actual donut, I'm actually taking the pink streamers and a little bit of hot glue towards the middle. I'm going to go ahead and start there and actually zigzag this up and down my donut. So I'm just going to add some to the edge and then flip that right in on itself and press down again. Then I'm going to go ahead and go around, make a little crease, and then down again. Then up and down. It's almost like making a star in a way, but it definitely, well, it kind of looks like a flower in the end, but I think it looks like frosting, which gives it a little bit extra detail actually. And if you feel like, oh no, I messed up, like this is the time to just like kind of fold it and angle it before you place any hot glue down in order to see the way you want it at first. But I really like this pattern. It was super simple and easy to do to make it definitely look like frosting and make it look like a donut. My daughter's actually having a donut party in a few weeks, so I wanted to get a jump on her decorations. But as you can see, I'm just going all the way around my donut, and if you feel like anything's too loose, add just a little bit of hot glue in order to secure it. And last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and place that down and then just cut off the excess. So next we actually have to add our ribbon in order to create this pull string piñata. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the length of the string that I want and poke some holes at the bottom with a knife. Now with one of the strings, you will want to double, triple, quadruple knot it in order to make sure that is the one that will actually pull the piñata open. And then with the rest, you will go ahead and just push them through, but you will not add any kind of knots. And it's completely up to you. You can add as much or as little ribbons as you like, and then you will go ahead and fringe the bottom. And to the bottom, to make it just have a little bit more extra detail, I always love taking the scissors, running it across the ribbon in order to create some beautiful curls at the bottom. So simple and easy to do, and just gives it a nice extra touch. So once I was done with the ribbon, I thought, what better way to make a donut look like a donut than make sprinkles? So I actually had my daughter go ahead and color and cut up some little colored paper in order to create the sprinkles. And then I just went ahead and hot glued these sprinkles on. But by the time you're done with this, you really don't have to use hot glue. You can use regular glue or anything like that to stick on your sprinkles. It's not going to come off. It's very light paper, and it's super simple and easy to do. So if I did this again, you can use construction paper, you can use markers, and just color it, cut them out into little rectangles, and you should be good to go in order to just glue these on. And I actually really love it. It really makes it look like a donut with the sprinkles on top. And last but not least, I'm actually going to go ahead and poke 2 holes at the top and thread some string so we will be able to hang our piñata. And of course, you definitely want to at least double knot this to make sure it will be nice and secure at the top. And it's up to you. You can leave the strings, but I always love to cut the strings for some reason. So I just think it makes it look nicer and cleaner. And we are done, ladies and gentlemen. We have our very own DIY donut piñata. How cute is this? And this is what it looks like when you are completely finished, and I absolutely love how this turned out. This is such a cute and easy DIY, and it was using cereal boxes from your house and streamers, ribbon, and a little bit of hot glue from Dollar Tree. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and I will see you next time.